Hello friends, welcome back to day 9 of Let's Color with Crayola. Today we'll color this flower. I'm going to use two sets of color, pink and purple. The pink set will have orchid, magenta, tickle me pink, pink flamingo and salmon. So let's color the pinks first and then we'll go to the purple. Okay, so it's orchid. I'll color pink, then purple, and then let's see. Well, let me color first and then I'll decide what color I'm going to use there. Okay, let's keep this pink and I'll have this as purple. So I'm not going to color this. Now it's magenta. Then tickle me pink. Then pink flamingo. Pink flamingo is a very bright neonish pink, so go with a very light hand. And now salmon. I'll darken the shadow area. And go over with tickle me pink. Okay, let's leave it at that. In case we think we need to come back, we'll come back. Now for the purples, I'm going to use indigo, ultraviolet and lilac. I'll use ultraviolet first. Lilac. Now I'll bring my indigo, which is the darkest. So sorry, I forgot the lilac here. Now I bring indigo and color the shadow areas. I want a little cohesiveness, so I'll bring indigo to this pinks as well, but with a very, I'll hold my pencil here and go over it very lightly. Can you see it? Very, very lightly. I don't want it very dark. And then I'll go take my ultraviolet and give a touch up only on those which are purplish, not here. Now I bring my lilac. I won't touch this area, only the highlights. Blend the mid-tone with the highlight. And now since I added indigo there, I'll bring my magenta and blend. No, I think it needs orchid. And these are not very sharp, so they are not clean colors. Give me a minute, I'll sharpen them. Okay, this is orchid. Sorry. Now I bring magenta and blend, but I won't go here because I want the salmon to be there. I don't want to touch the salmon. Now I blend everything with salmon. I'll use salmon here. Does it look good? I think pink flamingo might look good. And ultraviolet. Okay. And then the mid portion, I'm going with a yellow gel pen. Okay, so the flower is done. Let me go and color the leaves. For the leaves, I'm using pine green, yellow green, and palm leaf. This was pine green, now this is yellow green. Then it's palm leaf. Pine again, I want these places to be more dark. Yellow green, and I'll blend the dark area with the lightest. Now for the background I'll use yellow. So what yellow I have? Mellow 2022. Let me see which is 19 is golden yellow. Okay. 21 is daffodil and 20 is okay. 21. Okay. So I have golden yellow, yellow and unmellow yellow. So let me first apply the lightest, which is daffodil. So the darkest area, and for that I'm going to use golden yellow, the shadow area. And then I'm going to blend everything with yellow, but I'm going to go very light. This area I would use my golden yellow again and color the whole thing. Yellow again. I'm going very light and blending it. Now comes the highlight with my highlight pen, the white gel pen. I think it looks good. Thanks so much for watching this color along. Please subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell. I'll see you tomorrow with the next flower. Happy coloring. Take care. Bye.